Get them quickly. Does everyone else know how to swim? He knows me well already. I'm joking. Relax. We have safety jackets, enough of them. We've given some of the small ones some safety jackets as well, just to ensure if they fall over that they're safe. You see these cabins underneath here? You just push the buttons to the side and bring the cabin to the floor, and that's where safety jackets are in case of an emergency. It's not allowed, okay. So if someone accidentally goes in the water, please remember I am trained to see if it's an accident, eh? So not deliberately. Then you shout man overboard. Even if you can't swim, please show the men, it's very important, okay? You must go right to the back corner over here. Okay, the pelicans, you must watch out.
Happy birthday to you.